Yes, we are. And today we are quickly talking about just natural options for allergies, all you allergy sufferers out there for heading into spring. We thought it was a good time to just get prepared, see what you can have in your pantry at home to give some relief to you or your little ones.
Yep.
Because I know when I first moved to Georgia, holy moly, the pollen hit me like a ton of bricks.
Pollen is its own season.
Seriously, I was
Mhm.
like, this is disgusting. What is this covering my car? And I've
Yes.
never had allergies before in my life. And the first 2 years, just wildly intense allergies during pollen. And then they chilled out. I feel like I got used to them.
So if you live anywhere else in the country but the South, you're fine. You can handle this. But all of our foliage just dumps pollen and everything is like this neon yellow green
Yes.
outside for a couple of weeks. Now, I wish they would do it all at the same time, but they spread it out over
I
a couple of weeks.
know. Exactly.
But
It's like snow, but it's not fun. And it's yellow and it
no,
gets all over your clothes and your car and in your vents.
yeah.
I think snow is much more fun. Anyways, so there's a good kind of baseline to what we're talking about now in some of our previous episodes.